Growing chili or pepper plants is an exciting and rewarding process that requires minimal effort with this method. Before planting seedlings, the planting bed needs to be prepared by adding a layer of vermicompost on top of the soil. If vermicompost is unavailable, compost or fully decomposed manure can be used instead. This organic material provides essential nutrients, improves soil structure, and helps retain moisture, creating an ideal environment for strong and healthy plants. Once the bed is ready, the next step is transplanting the seedlings. Before placing the seedlings in the ground, a hole must be dug in the prepared bed. To give the plants an extra boost, sprinkling some blood meal into each hole is beneficial. Blood meal is rich in nitrogen, an essential nutrient that promotes rapid and vigorous growth. This is particularly important for young plants, as nitrogen encourages the development of lush green leaves and strong stems. Additionally, blood meal enhances soil fertility over time, making it an excellent choice for long-term plant health. Since it releases nutrients slowly, it provides a steady supply of nourishment to the growing seedlings, ensuring they develop into strong, productive plants. In the video, the nursery-bought seedlings were placed in a jug filled with water. This was done because the seedlings did not have soil balls attached to their roots. Without a soil ball, the roots are exposed to air, which can cause them to dry out quickly. By placing them in water, the roots remain hydrated, keeping the seedlings fresh for several days. This method is useful when immediate planting is not possible, or when seedlings need to be transported over long distances. Keeping the roots in water prevents wilting and improves their chances of survival once transplanted into the soil. Once the seedlings are hydrated and ready for planting, they should be carefully placed into the prepared holes. Handling the seedlings gently is important to avoid damaging the roots. Each seedling should be positioned in the hole with its roots well spread out, ensuring they are not cramped or bent. Once in place, the roots should be covered with soil, and the soil should be gently pressed down to secure the plant. This ensures good contact between the roots and the soil, which is crucial for proper root development and water absorption. After planting, the seedlings should be given a generous amount of water. Watering immediately after transplanting helps the soil settle around the roots and reduces transplant shock. Keeping the soil moist is essential during the first few weeks, as it allows the seedlings to establish themselves in their new environment. However, overwatering should be avoided, as excessive moisture can lead to root rot and other issues. The goal is to maintain consistently moist soil without making it overly soggy. If this simple and effective method was helpful, consider liking the video, sharing it with friends, and subscribing to the channel for more amazing gardening tips.